We have had a very full day. Let's come together one last time to reflect on the things that we've done, perhaps learned, and think about how we might respond to someone at home that says, "So, how was your day? Tell me, what did you do?" We've done so much. Let's do some thinking together about all those great things that we've done today. Let's look at our board. We started our day with our morning message, and we'll end our day with a message as well, coming together to think and write and reflect together. If you'd like to read with me, go for it. As you know, I'm going to underline the words as we go. Today, you were a reader, writer, thinker, and scientist. Let's go back to the beginning. Would you read with me? And remind me, when I get to the end, what should I do? Ah, yes. I sweep to the next line, knowing that we read left to right. Okay, point to where I should begin. You got it. All right, read with me. Today, you were a reader, writer, thinker, and scientist. And that's true. Think about the books that we read, the writing that you did, the questions that you thought of, the things you were curious about, and the explorations that you did. Let's take a moment to think. All right, up here we have our 4 push pins that remind us we're going to try and think about at least 4 things that we've done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Certainly there are more. And we can even think about things that perhaps you did during our free playtime, during small group, or outside, perhaps even lunch. The day was so full. All right, let's do some thinking and I'll do some jotting. All right, let's think about what we did today. When you have an idea, I'll see your thumb to your heart. And even if you want to do some thinking and chatting with that elbow partner next to you, go for it. You know, we do a lot of thinking and talking in here. All right, let's see. Ah, yes. Jasmine, I see your thumb on your heart. What's something that you remember that we did today? Yes, we've been outside and we were able to go on a nature walk. Absolutely. Yes, that was in connection to our book we read, Hiking Day. Now, really, you've listed 2 ideas there. So I think if it's okay with you, I'm going to start with the first idea. Let me use a blue crayon. I remember my first push pin was blue. And I'm just going to do a very quick little map here. If you remember, this kind of looks like what Miss Wilson did for her trail map writing today. Okay. And you're right, I'm not using as much color as I did before because it's just a quick example. Okay, and so the first thing that I might share with someone when they ask me, what did you do today? I might say that we went on a walking trail around our school and looked for things in nature. I'm going to say nature, and then walk is my second word. Nature is my first word. I'll count those words. Nature, walk, walk. Who can help me with the first letter of the word walk? W. I see you looking at our alphabet chart. All right, Sloan, can you come up and write the W? Yep, why don't you grab an orange? Okay, yes, it is made of a lot of sticks, isn't it? All right, as Sloan is writing that W. Oh, you got it. Oh, all the way to the top. Thank you, Sloan. All right, we are going to be thinking about what are we doing at nature walk? I think I'm going to finish that word for us. I'll take my blue crayon back. Look. That could be a few different letters. It could be You're right, it could be a C. And when I look at my alphabet chart, I see that the letter C has two sounds, like cereal, or k, like cat. It's gonna make the k sound. Ah, you got it. The K, like in kangaroo. You're right. This time it is the K for kangaroo. All right, Mary Lou, would you come up and write the K for us? Okay, yep, let's grab the black crayon. Okay, yep, it's gonna start at the top, at the head, down to the feet. Oh, I know it's tricky. Ready? Okay, and kick it out. All right. Thank you so much, Mary Lou. All right, one of the things that we did today, we went on a nature walk. All right, let's do some more thinking. What else did we do? Yes, you are right, Jazz. You are right. We went to our lunch in the cafeteria, and that was a new place for you. Yes, absolutely. There were so many seats, and we had our special team table. You can absolutely share with those at home about that new lunch space. Let me grab my orange crayon. And let's see, I'm just going to draw a quick table here. I'm going to use orange. I know my push pin, second push pin was orange. Draw our seats at our table. It was pretty neat that we had a special team table. Yes, we were even with the big kids at the second graders. They were a little loud, weren't they? Okay. All right, let's see. Lunch room. We have two words. Lunch room. I'm going to pause there because you can see that what I'm doing is I am basically giving us a chance to reflect on our day. Also another chance for interactive writing. I could include the kids in the sketch if I had the time and inclination, but definitely including them in writing the letters and thinking about the sounds. In this model, I would probably do the next and maybe even the third idea for what we had done during the day. And then if time allowed, I most likely would ask the kids before I got to the fourth idea, thinking of those four push pins, I would invite the children to go back to their own notebooks. And if I had the luxury of extra loose paper, I might even have them draw, one thing that they remember, whether it was something from my list I already have or something else. And that could be something that they take home in their folders or something they take home with them at pickup. So again, reminding the children that we want to share with those at home what we've been doing, and that really connects to that last part of the lesson outline where we're having them think of things that they've done throughout the day in order to share at home. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what that time might look like. And again, offer the chance to give them the opportunity to do some more writing, whether it's within their notebook or a loose leaf paper.